Today's video brought to you by despair. I'm an idiot. In the middle of this river, way out, during a flight, my new mounts for my Insta360 One X failed. The camera vibrated off, got caught in the rudder, in the props, and everything fell like a rock. Disgusted. The only thing that makes me not so disgusted is somehow, some way, the Mavic recovered before hitting the water. And I mean, right before. And I don't think I have any video of that because I was filming on the Insta360, which is at the bottom of the Columbia River right now. But when I get home, I'll check the footage on the Mavic and see if I have anything. It was horrible. It was just horrible. I'm watching it, I was like, watching both of them separate and falling apart and then just falling down. I'm not happy. I guess that means I'm no longer an Insta360 One X ambassador. No camera. I'm disgusted.